when you were back. Look, the rain,
and beautiful Texas nutheads.
Well, write it down, people! Write it down! I have asked our Native American friend, John Redcorn, to join us as our expert bird identifier. My people...
It's so smoking. Hey.
Gribble team ready. Yeah.
Oh, a bird! Ow! Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off me!
Dang it!
Dale!
You are a professional exterminator. You said you could handle this.
I'm on it. These birds don't stand a chance against this ultrasonic bird distress emitter. I was up all night listening to sounds that'll drive you crazy.
How long does this have to go on for?
Forever! Scram, man. Go! I can't go. Get inside these pigeons' heads. Bill, you're a filthy flocking animal.
No.
That's it. This job is too much for me. It's time to bring in the pigeon god.
Well, great. Call him up.
She's a woman, and are you a fool? The pest control world isn't your colored propane
Candyland.
where you can just call people. To get the baddest of the baddest ass, payola must be exchanged. Payola paid. Reputations maligned.
Sounds kind of scary.
Oh, it is, and then some. If the pigeon god, or to her parents, Sheila Refkin, Ph.D., decides to stoop down to help our piddly little cock, it will be as if witnessing the beginning of time.